Hey quizzers, welcome to IJB quiz. Today's episode is Find the Odd One Out. It's a cat edition. There are 4 steps in this video: easy, medium, hard, and impossible. Now we are in easy step. Find the odd cat in this chart. It's very easy. I think you will find it easily. Exactly, it's the odd cat in this chart. Number 2. It's time to find the odd one out. Remember that every correct answer has 1 point. Don't forget to write your score on the comment box. Great, here we see the odd one. Go ahead. Among these emojis, which is different? Nice job. The different emoji is right here. Do you recognize the odd one out? Very nice performance. Just keep it up. Which emoji is repeated on this board? Outstanding. This emoji is repeated. Find out which emojis are unpaired. Genius. These emojis are unpaired. Spot the strange emoji. You have spotted it correctly. It's a strange emoji. Can you find the odd emoji here? Great, I hope you have found it correctly. What about this one? Amazing, the odd emoji is in red circle. Look closely and spot the odd one out. Amazing, here we see the odd one on this board. Number 11. Now we are in medium level. Find the odd cat in this chart. Bravo, the emoji that stands out right here. Among these emojis, can you identify one that doesn't match? Perfect, this emoji doesn't fit here. Try to find the difference among these emojis. Marvelous, it's the difference among these emojis. If you are a finding expert, prove it in 10 seconds. Excellent, really you are a finding expert. Test your observation skill in 10 seconds. Superb, really your observation skill is too good. Which emoji is repeated? This emoji is repeated here. Pay attention and find the odd one out. Here is that you found. Keep up the good work. Can you identify the odd emoji? This emoji is the odd emoji on this board. Can you find the odd one out? Great, you have nailed it. Keep it up. Test your observation skill in 10 seconds. Genius, it's again proved that your observation skill is too good. Number 21. Now we are in hard level. Find the odd one out. Very nice performance. Here we see the odd one. Help me to find the odd one. Nice job. Here we see the odd one. What about this one? Your time is running out. Great, this is the emoji which is odd. Find the difference. Excellent, it's in second row. Find the odd emoji out. Yes, it's the odd emoji. Number 26. Now we are in impossible level. Find the odd one out. It's a new challenge for you. Outstanding job. Just outstanding. Can you locate the odd emoji? Excellent performance. The odd emoji is in red circle. Where is the unique emoji located? Brilliant performance. Here we see the odd emoji. There is one distinct emoji. Can you find it? Awesome work, just awesome. Find the odd one from the last chart. Great performance. Here we see the odd one. Thanks for watching. Best wishes for you.